Positioned right behind me on 1/4 acre is one Lesa Court Mount Martha. Let's go inside and have a look at what this fantastic ranch style home has to offer. From the moment you enter the door, you'll be greeted by an abundance of natural light throughout this spacious, well-designed home. A beautiful open plan kitchen, living and dining area filled with natural light. Large formal lounge and sitting area with expansive bay windows. The home also features a spacious master bedroom with ensuite, spa and walk-in room. The large backyard is great for kids and pets to play all day long. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the weekend at Saturdays, open for inspection.